Hey there, everyone. It's Greg Kuhn, your friendly law of attraction science guy, back with another episode of Notes Channeled from the Quantum Field. Gather round because we're diving deep into the magic of living in the now. Yep, you heard it right. I'm 56 years old. I know. Some of you are thinking, wait a minute, wasn't he just 26 like 5 minutes ago? Well, life has a funny way of zooming by. And before you know it, here we are. My four fantastic sons, they've grown up, moved out, and started their own journeys. The house is quieter. The laundry pile is smaller, but the love and memories we created, those are irreplaceable. You see, time doesn't stand still for anyone. It marches on, whether we like it or not. Some might say, hey, by the time you blink, you'll be 86. And they're not wrong. But here's the thing life is all about those blinks, those moments that make up our existence. Each sunset, each sunrise, every smile, every tear, they're all part of the journey. And right now, in this very moment, is where the magic happens. Right here, right now, we're not dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. No, we're actively creating our reality, shaping our destinies, and manifesting the life we desire. I know many of you are in the same boat. Life throws us curveballs, presents us with challenges. But guess what? We are unstoppable forces of nature. We're masters of manifesting, and we've got the quantum field on our side. Speaking of the quantum field, here's a little secret. My beautiful wife, she's been my partner in this journey from day one. We've laughed together, cried together, and most importantly, manifested our dreams together. And yes, I've had my fair share of struggles, trials, and tribulations. Life definitely isn't always sunshine and rainbows, but it's how we navigate those stormy seas that defines us. I've learned that embracing the present, savoring every moment, and appreciating the simple joys in life is what it's all about. It's about living, really living. So, my incredible viewers, whether you're 16, 36, or 66, remember that your life is happening right now. This moment, this breath you're taking, it's a gift. And as your law of attraction science guy, I'm here to remind you that you have the power to manifest your dreams no matter where you are in life's journey. So let's get to work. Set your intentions and start manifesting your life intentionally. Remember, right now is your canvas, and you're the artist of your reality. Thank you for being a part of this incredible journey with me. Look to the links below to expand it. Together, we're embracing every blink, every moment, and creating a life filled with love, abundance, and endless possibilities. Until next time, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep living in the now. Because this moment, it's your time to shine.